First, let's look at the key structures of the mounting tool and line sensors. For the line sensors, we focus on the following three components: the two fins on the back of the U-shaped upper arm, 4 pressure springs, and the outer edge of the line sensor. There are 4 spring baffles on the tool. Which are used to fix the 4 pressure springs of the line sensor. The notch is used to jam the fin so that the U-shaped upper arm is always kept open. There are 4 locking clips inside, which are used to lock the outer edge of the line sensor. The locking clip's control mechanism is controlled by the insulating rod. Rotate the rod clockwise to close the locking clips and rotating counterclockwise to release them. For demonstration, insulation rod is not connected. First, rotate the insulation rod counterclockwise to make the hook open. Open the upper arm of the line sensor to align the fins with the notch on the mounting tool. Place the line sensor into the mounting tool. Then rotate the insulation rod clockwise to make the hook stick to the outer edge of the line sensor. Now the line sensor is fixed in the mounting tool. Use a spring winch to hook the 4 pressure springs respectively and use the spring baffle to trap the springs. Now the sensor is locked in the tool. Then rotate the insulation rod counterclockwise so that the locking clips are released and ready to be mounted on the power line. Imagine this is the power line. While mounting the sensor, make sure that the nameplate arrow points to the load side. Align with the line. Push up gently until the 4 spring baffles bounce off. After they pop off, the mounting tool falls off and mounting is completed. First, rotate the insulating rod counterclockwise to release the locking clips. Align the yellow part of the mounting tool with the nameplate of the line sensor. Lift up the insulation rod vertically and then rotate the insulation rod clockwise to clamp the outer edge of line sensor. After that, pull down the rod slowly until the line sensor is separated from the power line. Now the line sensor is removed. Rotate the insulating rod counterclockwise to release the locking clips and then take the line sensor out.